Look, we are at school now together this morning.
It is time to say goodbye gently now.
Don't worry, I am here. You are safe today, children.
Hi, friends. Good morning, everyone here together today.
How are you today?
I am doing fine. Thanks for asking.
We are waiting here calmly together now for class.
You know, I feel calm and ready for school today.
There is someone standing near the gate. I do not know.
Look, I see him too, but he is not doing anything.
Who is that person? I have never seen him before here. Hey, do you know that person standing by the gate today?
No, I do not know him, and I feel a little unsure.
Something feels different now, even though everything looks calm here.
I feel a little worried, but I remember what my parents said.
Okay, let's go tell the teacher right now.
There is a person near the gate. We do not know.
Thank you for telling me. I am listening calmly right now. I will take care of this situation calmly and safely now. It is okay to feel unsure sometimes here at school today. I will ask the officer to help us calmly now together.
We stay here with the teacher quietly and safely now.
The teacher and officer are talking together calmly right now, here.
Excuse me, do you have a visitor's badge or identification?
My apologies, officer. I'm just here for my kid. Am I supposed to sign in somewhere first?
Okay, but next time you must check in with security or the front desk first.
I feel much better now and calm here at school today.
You did the right thing by telling an adult today, calmly together. Remember, tell a grown-up when you feel unsure at school. Always, please. Everything is okay now, and everyone here is safe together.
I can see everything is calm and the adults are helping.
I feel relaxed now. And my heart is calm again.
I explain what happened in simple, friendly words today. Remember, always tell a trusted adult when you feel unsure.
I understand the rule, and I will remember it next time.
I feel brave again and ready to continue my day.
Now we can return to class and enjoy learning together.
I know you can do it. Be proud of who you are and make the right choice.